Hello, my sisters. Today I recommend giving one to my middle-aged shirt. This one will be Tim's neck. Hands are hands and gold. This one is made of linen and materials that have a hard base. This will create the form of the shirt. Now we will. Let's start getting into the design part. Well, first of all, this model will have a slack. So when I design the body first, the body behind Chung, you guys, give me a piece of the body. Give me 10 meters of gas. And the length of this dress is 66. 10 petrol centimeter. The length of the shirt is 60, depending on the height. You will get a measure of the length of your shirt, the box, and then I'll make it perpendicular. And then it's perpendicular. I'll take the shoulder. It's shoulder to shoulder here. Dividing by 2 is equal to 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16. I took a paragraph of 16. Then it's down to 4. Next to her, I'll take her. Divide by 5 and equal to 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. From here I will get 6. And then we'll lower a perpendicular line. So, this perpendicular line, I'll take the measurement is by I'll lower my chest will be equal to the chest divided cho. 5 plus for 1. That's equal to 80 divided by 5 plus 1. 17. Then I measure from here and I measure down to 17. And then I'll take the chest piece. Chest level here is equal to chest divided by 4 plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. It's 22 across a road. And then we build a perpendicular line down here. Back up to gas. Let's split it in half again. Well, we'll get the armpit part. Okay, but with this shirt, you can see, it'll be an instant sleeve. So from here you measure up a gasoline. This part I stretched out. It's a long section from the top of the shoulder. From the top of the shoulders then you to will the outside. Stretch out to me by 11 gasoline. 11 petrol centimeter.
And then I'm going
to put a perpendicular line in here and then stretch it down to 2 more gas to get there. Then turn back. Turn back. Get out here and we'll get the road. Lower your waist. It's equal to 35. Let's make a perpendicular line. Then we'll take it by the waist. Divide by 4 plus 1. 64 divided by 4 plus 1 is equal to 17. I'll take 17. Then there's the buttocks. Then we'll take it with our ass. Divide by 4 plus 1. 80 divided by 4 plus 1 is 21. A line is 21. Then normally, we'll draw a line. Here. This will be the live part. Yes, but with this model you can see. It will be the hand. Come up from here, you two. And right around this corner, you're down another 4 inches. Then we're going to let one of these be the way. Then we can bend the line. Armpit line. If you are lucky, you will be lucky. This way. This place you will break and we'll get the body. With this shirt, my neck will be Tim's neck. So from here I'm going to get to inches. The hard part is down here to 11. I'll connect the Tim part here. Then after you get the Tim part, this shirt from the midpoint right here at the waist, that's 6 inches. Then this heart you hit, haha. You will walk around here for a while. A little bit and line it down here. With this line, it will get longer. One more paragraph, I'll let you glue it. Add a paper, then I'll draw that line for my sisters. Easy to follow. I'll paste it in here. Then you can stick it in like this. I'll go on. Let's start with this live stream. I'll go straight down for you. One part of it is equal to 6 petrol ha from here to here is 6 petrol centimeters. Then you'll connect this. This paragraph has to be connected. So let's go in. This shirt will have 2 lines. A line. Then you will follow the road. Like the original shirt. On the left hand, you will cut it like the original shirt. On the right, you will cut the shirt. The line goes down like this. And now the back body. We'll also take the middle one. Body after taking according to the frame line will hold. After that, we will up to 2 cubic meters of gasoline. Here, add to petrol and this part will be bent. This here gasoline. Then I connect it back. This part of the armpit. If the body is back, I'll bend in here. But actually Rod doesn't need because it. This is a wide-sleeved shirt. That's why I keep it. And this part of your ass, you know. This ass. You will give me a part. With the back body. The back body. I'm going to cut this way. It will be twice the size of the back. Then. Now I want to emphasize a little. In the case that you are a other shoulder measurement. For example, I am 32. If you have other measurements, you can use instead of here. For example, the 2 that you have. Let's change the number 40 here. Or my necklace is B5. I'll change the necklace. B5 divided by 5 equals 7. So from here it's are my breasts, to 7. For example, my breasts are 80. For example, you have a bust size if we take of 100 divided by 5, which is 20 to 10 plus 1. So from this horizontal line, you're going to measure down to 21. It's the same for waistlines and buttocks. For example, our ass is 120. So you take 120 divided by 4. 3310 plus 1 is 3. Then our horizontal line will be 31. I'll change the number according to my measurements. The same goes for this lower waist. If you measure from a burning to the 7th neck, you measure all the time. Let's say you lower your waist by 40. If it's 34, take another number. And now I'm going to start cutting Arabic. Then this Arabic part of me doesn't have seams. When you are lucky, remember the evening. This is the back body. It's cut according to the red one. Then you cut the arm. But this hand I keep in mind for you. I'll cut it later. I'll cut this arm later. Now I'm going to cut the part, the side road first. Why is this part of my hand urgent? Then I cut it first. And because of this hand, it's going to have its angle. That's when you're lucky. So you're going to break the half blood. Then I break it down like this. Then you break in again. When you break it, that's it. We just started taking the chalk. Ha! We're going down this road. Let it out. Here's the right angle. Then we cut the hand-to-hand part when we're lucky. It won't wrinkle, ladies. I cut it like this. Then open it again. You will see that we have a way. Stumbling like this. If you use scissors, you cut through this. I assure you that the hand, this shirt will be stolen. Then that's it. Once the body is done, it will below and the body later it's hybrid. Then it will lie as normal as the lie. The upper body So I'm going to cut the hybrid from here. It's cutting the hybrid whole back. I'm going to pull this body up. You see here. The back of it will be here. It's going to lie up like this. Here you see that hip up there. And from here, then we'll trace back to the neck. In my neck. My neck is here. I got to petrol here. Then I took the gasoline year mark here to get off. That. Then you'll trace the body back. The back is exactly the same as the middle. Cut the middle way earlier. I'll turn it around. And then we'll go for the neck. This will be the back. Body after. Later, you will give a reason. This part is 7 twice as much we'll get the body. The color of the shirt. The body behind it will also have a broken arm. Please like note, this. Finished from the back. We'll go through the body first. Before you go, give me the old way. Go the old part. With this part, you will. And here we are. A little bit more, I also broke it. Then we also have to have a fast track like this. That's the part. The top line will have a low side. You will cut the lower one first. I'll cut the lower part first. Then this part is the residue of the butt. If we cut the back part, we'll leave it. Then you'll get the first towel. Like the picture, on the cloth. If you cut it, you will fold it in half. One piece, you're going to cut it down this way. We're going to cut it this way. And the other piece, then we cut to that big piece out there. That way, after you're done. Then you're back again. Body in front of the back. Then I will follow the right path of the next body. Leave it with clothes. The next day it lay. Where it's doubled, we fold it like that. I haven't cut it yet. You have to cut off the part. The body behind it is the right way, but it will be left behind. The length of the wide body. Then you look again. Front and back of this model. This will be the first body. In front of this, multiply by 2. It's going to have a short body and a long body along this line. And we'll put the button here. Click the button here. Click the button here. Then, I wish you success. Thank you for watching. And remember to click a support channel for yourself. Thank you. Hi. See you later.